Gotta catch them all. Over the exit. There's a curtain and no window. Well, is on, and we found it. Have to go. So today's adventure, where are we going? We're heading north. We're heading to Newcastle. We're going for an evening of horror and suspense, murder and mystery and strange stories and such. And at Newcastle's Castle, a place I've never been. I've never even been to Newcastle, the home of Biker Grove and such things. So it's going to be different. We're taking a National Express coach from here, and a journey to come, and an exploration to be had. Well, got the National Express coach on our Pierce. I've got the one with the egg rib. Bonus. Unintentionally. Already the accents are upon us. Oh, you've got on, laddie. Something like that, anyway. So here we are, we're in Newcastle. Lots of colourful buildings, very tall ones. Lots of urban desolation. As we pass, so much graffiti. It's like, yeah, anyway, it's too much. Let's not talk about that. Let's have a good time. There's Drag Queen Tuesday here. Yeah. The future is digital, and there's a big mustard-coloured building. Gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all. Just outside the train station, under a weird bridge. So we think we know we're going the right way. Who knows? Who knows where we're going to end up? Queen's bedroom to stay in. Woo. Let's see what they're like outside. I'm assuming urban decay. That's exactly right. Urban decay. Well, we have an abandoned car park covered in bricks and mortar. That's some abandoned buildings. And a university, I guess, over there. So I believe where we're going is the castle, which sits, whose top and peaks you can see just above that Royal Mail building, just over there. So when she said literally it's down the road and under the second tunnel on the left, she wasn't kidding. So at least gives us some good orientation at least. So let's drop off some bags, let's go explore the town, and go get some lunch and check in some really cool stuff. Hey, that's really interesting. Pull that back.
No window there.
There's no window there.
No window there. They pulled a curtain over it.
There's a curtain and no window.
You'd think there would be a window because it was closed when we came in, but no. It's literally just this
thin sliver of a window is the only source of natural light in here. Look at the size of that thing. Just... We forgot to put any windows in, but we'll give you a double-sized curtain. So first thing we're going to do is cross this road. Let's see if we can find ourselves a new legendary, not to be found, not to be hunted. Where's the chalky section? Oh. There it is. Wow, that lasted a long time, didn't it? Mint flavoured twirl. The hunt for the legendary mint twirl is on, and we found it. Oh, let's buy a mint twirl, please. Ooh. Well, that adventure is over. That part of my adventure is over. The video is done. It's all over. I'm actually disappointed that my mission for this weekend has already been accomplished in the very first convenience store hidden under a bridge has...
I mean, are you disappointed I pointed out the convenience store to you now?
No, but my mission is... I need to find a new mission now.
Yep. Yes, you do.
Maybe you can allocate me a mission to do. Well, let's go that way. Well, I was wondering how far we'd have to go to find the Castle of Newcastle, and it's about 5 minutes from the hotel. What a win! Completely unintentional, totally, but makes it more easy to think about. Now we can fill our time with something much more interesting: going to a pub.
Oh, I see.
Oh, what do we have here? An exceptionally weak bridge with a really interesting perspective that I certainly at least want to get a photograph down. Yeah, there's not going to be any car coming behind me, is there? No, cars are good. Cars are good. This is nice about tunnels, you know? It's just kind of spooky, eerie at the same time. Oh, okay, yeah, Robert Stevenson and Thomas Harrison, contractors for ironwork of Hawks, Gaucher and Sons, 1850. So if you've been following my videos and my pictures for quite some time, you'll understand that I have a certain affinity to finding really interesting lampposts. Ones that look a bit odd, interesting, out of the way. Found one right here. This is Queen's Lane, right under this train bridge here. Got some chicks, some pigeon chicks up there, but look, just an exquisitely really old looking piece of lamppost form. What story do we have to learn here today? This is the Black Gate. Built between 1247 and 1250 during the reign of Henry III. It was the latest addition to the medieval castle defences. It is now a scheduled ancient monument and a Grade 1 listed building. I do believe we can go inside. Of the Heron Pit was an underground prison. The walls of the Heron Pit are still visible below. The pit had no windows and no doors. Above it would have been a kitchen and more prison space. That is most certainly not where you would have wanted to end up now, is it? Victoria. If memory serves me correctly, she lived from 1837 to 1901, I believe she died, or was it 1904? It's the Earl Grey. Into Camden. This is like Camden Market, this whole place.
Was caught quite by surprise looking up onto the wall here where I spotted a character for the legendary video game that is Space Invaders. So that sent me finding video games, and finding video games we did in the form of the YuMe arcade, and plenty of games they did have.
Twisted arcade machines were dead. Something hedge on air hockey. Yeah, I would love one of these in my house. Right. The light sensor here. That's cool. Oh, I'm definitely going to play with Dad Skeleton.
Your eyes peeled.
If I go up. get a call?
Shadows at the door. This was the launch night of what will be their season 3, presented by Mark Nixon and actor David Alt. It was a wonderful night. It was well attended. Looking forward to what the series has in store.
We've been given access to the roof of the building, the roof of the castle, marching the way of many prisoners.
I don't want to leave any of my way with all the prisoners. They'll bring me.
Thankfully, I still have nothing on that for a while.
I am not tall enough to need a warning for that.
I am.
Actually looking, it's like, no, there's a whole other...
That's like my budget for the whole way.